Hello there, this is Derek and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you how you're going to be able to install iOS 14.5 beta version. So after you're done with these steps, now about showing you, you're going to be able to install every beta version of iOS devices, and then you can just get a new update earlier than any other person will get. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, share to anyone you think that is going to be helpful to them, and without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So you see right now I'm on iOS 14.4.2 and they are telling me my software is up to date. So in order to just get the iOS 14.5, what you need to do is you go to your browser right here and then you type in this website, which I'm going to leave the link in my description, right? So after you type in this website right here, what you need to do is you sign in with your Apple ID, which I've already done, so I'm sure maybe it might not ask me. When you already signed in with your Apple ID, you should just get this bar right here at the top where it states Apple Beta Software Program, and then you tap on enroll your device. So when you tap on enroll your device like this, it's going to give you another pop-up page where you're going to be able to just pick any of the software you like. So you're supposed to sign in. So you're going to sign in with your Apple ID right away from here. So after I'm done signing in, I'll just get back to you guys. All right, so once you're done signing in, you're going to see this pop-up page right here, and then you scroll through to see if you're going to find profile right here. So you hit on download profile, and you're going to get a pop-up on this page, and you should just allow, and then you close, and then you go back to your settings. So when you go back to your settings, you go back to general, and then you check if you can see profile right here, and then you hit on profile, and then you come here and then you tap on install, and you type in your iPhone password, and then you install again. After you are done with this, it's going to ask you to restart your device. So I'm going to restart my device and then come back and then check if we still have the iOS 14 or the iOS 15. So I'm going to pause this video and then get back to you guys. So once you're done restarting your device, you go back to your settings, and then you go to general, and you come and then you check for updates right away, and it's supposed to come when you are done with the necessary steps I showed you. You're supposed to get this pop-up right here, 14.5 right here, and its size is 4.18 gigabytes. So if you're cool with it, you can just move on and download this iOS update, and I'm going to be coming with another video on the changes which this iOS 14 has brought to us. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, share to anyone you think that is going to be helpful to them, and without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.